Hey, я Olga from Russian for Fun. Welcome to lesson 12 of my super easy Russian language course for complete beginners. Ready to learn Russian? Let's go! In lesson 11, we learned about the letter called the soft sign. I told you that the soft sign usually softens the consonant that comes before it. Let's look at an example and see how the soft sign works. For instance, in my name, Olga. In my name, the soft sign comes right after the consonant L, so it makes the L sound soft. L, L, L. Olga, Olga, Olga. Again, Olga, Olga, Olga. Here's one more name as an example. The soft sign follows the consonant L, so the consonant becomes soft. L, L, L. Let's read the whole word. Albina, 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 Albina. Again, Albina, Albina, Albina. But in the Russian alphabet, there are 3 letters that always stay hard, no matter which letters come after them. They are Sh, Zh, and one more letter we haven't met yet. In lesson 11, we saw the example with the letter Sh. There was the word yesh, where the soft sign followed the consonant sh. But despite that, sh stayed hard because it's always hard. Okay, let's keep learning Russian. Let's continue working on how to read in Russian. We're gonna read some Russian words that come from English, and then you can guess what they mean. Can you read the first word? Да, it's банк. Can you guess what банк means? Да, банк means bank. In Russian, bank has only one meaning: financial institution. Now read the next word. That's box. Sounds familiar, right? In Russian, box means boxing, the sport. Now read the next word. Да, it's show. Show, show. What do you think show means? In Russian, show means show, an entertainment performance. The next word is rock. Can you guess what rock means? The word rock means rock music, a musical style. The next word is да, it's курс. What does курс mean in English? Курс means course. in English. Read the next word. Да, it's login. 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 Now guess what login means. Login is log in. In Russian, login means specifically a username, not the process of signing in. Read the next word. Да, that's clown. 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 Guess what clown means? Clown means clown. Read the next word. It's summit. 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 How do you say summit in English? Да, it's summit. In Russian, summit only means a meeting of top leaders. And now read the next word. Start. And again, start. How do you say start in English? Да, start is start in English. In Russian, start means the beginning of a race or an action. The next word. Да, it's grant. What's grant in English? The Russian word grant is the same as English grant, money given for study or research. Good. Read the next one. Да, that's blogger. 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 How do you say blogger in English? Да, blogger. Read the next word. Да, that's sous. 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 How do you say sous in English? Sous is sauce. Let's move on to the next word. Да, that's крекер. 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 How do you say крекер in English? Крекер is cracker in English. In Russian, the word крекер has only one meaning. It means a dry, crispy cracker, like cookie. Now read the next word. That's order. 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 Can you guess how to say order in English? Да, right. Order sounds like order in English. In Russian, order specifically means an official document and nothing more. Good. Let's read the next word. The next word is shock. Shock. How do you say shock in English? In English, shock sounds like shock. In Russian, shock is usually a strong emotional reaction. People usually use it just to say that they are very surprised. But the medical meaning of the word shock is used too. Okay, Now read the next word. Да, that's tour. Tour. Now guess how to say tour in English. In English, tour sounds like tour. In Russian, tour means a trip or a round in a game or in a competition. Read the next word. Good. It's крем. Крем. Can you guess how to say крем in English? In English, крем sounds like cream. In Russian, крем can mean edible cream, for example, whipped cream, or skin cream like face cream. Good. Let's continue our reading practice in Russian. It's ноутбук. Ноутбук. Notebook. How do you say notebook in English? Perfect. In English, notebook sounds like notebook. A notebook in Russian has only one meaning, a laptop computer. Let's move on to the next word. Да, that's гандбол. 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 Can you guess what гандбол means in English? Gandbol means handball. Let's read the next word. Да, it's триллер. Триллер. How do you say триллер in English? Да, that's thriller. The English word thriller and the Russian триллер mean the same thing. And now read the last word. Да, it's баскетбол. Ball. Basketball. Do you recognize the word? Да, basketball is just basketball. Good job. Now, let's just go through all the words from this lesson and read them again. Банк, бокс, шоу, рок, курс, логин, клоун, саммит, старт, грант, блогер, соус, крекер, ордер, шок, тур, крем, ноутбук, гандбол, триллер, баскетбол. Okay, you did great today, and your Russian is getting better with each lesson. Keep it up, and remember, Russian is easy. If you liked this lesson, like, comment, and subscribe, so more people learning Russian can find these simple Russian lessons. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!